Hey guys, it's Kevin, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. I guess it's safe to say that tech season has officially begun, and what better way to kick it off than with a folding phone. So if I had to recommend any folding phone to a regular person, then I pick the Flip. It's pocketable, looks like a traditional smartphone unfolded, and the cover screen is useful. In this video, I'll give you my first impressions and go over the new features. But first, let's start with the unboxing. So the box is simple and black. The top cover is two-tone with the word Flip, and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 text is color matched to the phone. Mine is purple, which Samsung calls Bora purple. Bora in Korean means purple, so this is a purple phone. Inside the box, you're greeted with the phone, and underneath the cover are the accessories: documentation, USB-C cable, and ejection tool. And here's the Flip 4. Okay, the design is very similar to the previous Flip. It's a compact squarish phone when folded, and a normal slab phone unfolded. But there are some minor design tweaks for this generation. The sides are flatter, which I like, and the hinge is thinner and stronger. The phone can stay put in just about any angle. The outside of the phone is now Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and it has a matte finish. And there are new colors this year: Bora purple, graphite, pink gold, and blue. And there's bespoke edition colors only available at Samsung.com. You can customize the color on the front, frame, and back. I'll leave a link to this in the description box below. The side rails are aluminum and it has this glossy metallic finish to it. The main gripe I have is the volume button placement. It's too high up on the phone. It would have been nice if it was swapped with the 5G antenna cut out on the other side. Not a deal breaker though, since my phone is always on silent mode. And closing the phone still has that satisfying snap. Alright, the display is mostly the same as last year, but the bezels are slightly thinner. It's a 6.7-inch screen, 1080p by 2640 resolution, 120Hz, and the brightness can go up to 1200 nits. And the cover screen is the same 1.9 inches, but with more widgets and controls. Both screens are now Gorilla Glass Victus Plus as well. The protective film is still pre-installed on the phone, and I want to remove it, but Samsung advised not to during the initial setup. The built-in fingerprint reader is in the power button, not under the display, and it's stupid fast. It's a nice display, but the taller aspect ratio makes content look smaller compared to the S22 Ultra. And if you're wondering, you can still see and feel the crease. The Flip 4 has the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and 3700 mAh battery compared to the Flip 3's Snapdragon 888 and 3300 mAh battery. In my initial testing, the everyday activities felt the same, but playing a game is noticeably faster. And thanks to the new chip, the battery life lasts a lot longer. This can easily last me the entire day on a single charge with the always-on display enabled. The Flip 3 can barely last me a day. Plus, if you're ever low on battery, the Flip 4 can fast charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. Flex mode is what makes this phone unique. You can use the phone hands-free by propping it on a surface. Whether it's taking a selfie or recording a video with just the palm of your hand, it can all be done without a tripod. And certain apps can take advantage of flex mode. For example, Camera can display the viewfinder on the top half of the screen and the controls on the bottom. Or in YouTube, you can split the UI in half between the video and other content. Now, I'm not the biggest case person, I'll leave a link about why in the cards, but Samsung did offer a free case. And the one I chose is a silicone cover with keyring in Bora purple. It protects the phone from bumps and scratches. You can use the keyring to hold the phone while you're carrying other stuff, or add it to a clip and wear the phone on your pants if you're into that. But if you know me, I like my phones naked, so this is going back in the box. And that's it for my first impressions of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. Let me know which color do you get in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, then you might like to watch this one on the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the 14-inch MacBook Pro. And if you're interested, I started an email newsletter where I talk about weekly favorites. I'll link it below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!